friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Ooh. How do you like my background? I felt like I should not be a lazy YouTuber and put something in the background. This looks like a set, well, kind of, not really, but my piano is here. So if you watched me on Twitter or Instagram, I post some piano videos. My piano is actually right underneath this, and this is just like a little shelf thing, and I just put two things above it. So that works, doesn't it? Everything is not what it seems when it comes to sets, just so you know. Anyways, I digress. Happy Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in today, you guys. We're going to be talking about something very highly requested. Today's video is all about acne skincare for teens. These are things that I did back when I was a teen, that really helped my skin. And some things that my mama Chiu taught me back in the day that have really helped. I always believe that if you start your skincare early, especially in those hormonal years, in your teen years, you will have less issues as an adult. So if you guys want to see what they are, just keep watching.
Always start with cleanser. When I was a teen, to prevent breakouts, I used a cleanser that had salicylic acid. CeraVe is one of my favorite drugstore brands, and this is actually new to their collection. Just one pump and warm it up in the hands and work it into the skin. This also works for the body as well, along with acne-prone and psoriasis skin. One of the things I love about it is that it doesn't leave your skin stripped of moisture. The ceramides actually help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier, and after 30 seconds, I just rinse and wipe clean with a wet towel. Now let's purify the skin. Vichy's Normaderm line has a lotion which is specially made for tightening pores and acne-prone skin. Grab 2 cotton pads and gently sweep this all over the face. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know this is one of my all-time favorites. This also contains salicylic acid and glycolic acid, which helps fight breakouts. Now, masks are important if you have oilier skin. I'll be using the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor. This is a very powerful mask because it actually draws out impurities and shrinks the look of pores. It's creamy rich when applied and can be used to scrub away blackheads. For this, you guys know I typically have a brush for masks, but this is a mask that needs the help of my fingers to scrub away dead skin and the blackheads, so that's what I'll be doing. It contains white clay, salicylic acid, and natural exfoliants. It dries very quickly, so when it is actually dry, I just wipe it off with a soaked warm towel. My skin feels instantly tighter, smoother, and softer. Next up, take out your ice tray and grab a cube of ice. We're doing an ice facial. This can soothe pimples, sunburns, and skin inflammation. It reduces redness, swelling, and can help tighten the skin. When it comes to serum, I suggest something clean. Clinique's Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly is oil-free, non-sticky, has 24-hour hydration repair plus pollution protection. I apply 1 pump all over the face and press it into the skin so it fully absorbs. It also has no parabens, phthalates, fragrance, just happy skin. Extra tip, grab a jade roller to help the serum absorb more and circulate blood flow. One of the most well-known benefits of using a jade roller is that it helps reduce puffiness and inflammation in the face. And lastly, to keep the skin light and hydrated, I love using a gel cream. The Renewed Hope in a Jar from Philosophy is the one I use when my skin tends to get oily, especially during the summers. This moisturizer also is oil-free and helps deliver soft, dewy smoothness and all-day hydration. Just a small quarter-size amount and apply it all over the face. And now, we're done! Well, almost. It's been a while since my last giveaway, and I've got a special little prize for one lucky winner. You'll get the Made for All Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks in all 7 shades, the My Clarins Detoxifying and Nourishing Skincare set, the Body Shop Shea Butter collection, and the Fresh Beauty Ready Set and Firm set. This is the ultimate beauty giveaway, and here's how to enter. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Comment on this video. 3. Follow Chiutips on Instagram. 4. Comment on the last 3 photos on my Instagram feed with the hashtag #MadeChiuLook, and all the contest details will be in the description box below. I can't wait to send this out to 1 lucky winner. Good luck!
So this is my acne skincare routine for teens. This is great if you have big pores, oily skin, pimples, blemishes, break out a lot. These are things that you can do and implement into your skincare routine. Obviously, you can have dry skin and have breakouts. You can have oily skin and have breakouts. So this is more of a general guideline, and the products you use, you have to test and see what works for your skin. Like I say every video, everyone's skin is different when it comes to makeup and skincare. You just have to test them and see what works. But in terms of what to start with and what to end with, this is usually what you should do if you have acne or pimples or just oilier skin. start with this routine, start with these simple steps, and I hope this video helps when it comes to clearing out your skin. This is what I used to do back in high school. They really helped me, and I hope they help you as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in every week. It means the world that you guys come watch every Friday and you comment and you tell me what you guys are wanting to see. It really means so much. I feel like the Chiu family has grown immensely in the last couple of years, and we're so close to 800,000. Oh my god, like when I think about that number, my mind just, I can't even. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one.